Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 6, more on Photoshop CS6. Before that, let's recall in our previous video we did learn about painting tool. In painting tool we did learn about brush tool, pencil tool, color replacement tool, mixer brush tool, gradient tool, and retouching tool. We are going to learn about patch tool. Patch tool is used when you want to replace some unwanted part from an image and replace them with the matching part from the nearby area. Means, for example, this tool can be used to replace a dark spot with the skin color of your face. If any picture having a dark circle, so it can be replaced. So let's learn. Open the desired image. Right click on the spot heal brush tool. It is on the tool panel, and select patch tool. Select the part of image to be replaced by dragging a line around it with patch tool. Now drag the selected area over the area from which you need to be replaced, means the nearby area from that skin. Content aware move tool. Content aware move tool is used to select and move the part of image to another area of the image without using use of layer. So let's learn how to use content awareness tool. Open an image in Photoshop. Right click on the spot healing brush tool from the tool panel and select content aware move tool. Drag the mouse pointer over it to select an area to be moved. Click and drag the selected area to a different location. The hole that is left behind the field with the nearby element of surrounding. Clone stamp tool. Clone stamp tool is used to copy one area of an image onto another area of the image. Copying is done by taking the sample pixel from an image. It is doing like a stamping. So let's learn how to use clone stamp tool. Open an image in Photoshop. Click on the clone stamp tool. It is on the tool panel. Press and hold Alt key from the keyboard. Click on the part of image that is to be copied. Now click and drag where the copied image is to be created. Blur tool. Blur tool is used to soften an image. It is basically unfocus the image area, means that area become blur. Follow these steps. Open an image in Photoshop. Click on the blur tool from the tool panel. You can select the brush size from the brush present picker on the option bar. Drag the mouse pointer on the area that you want to be blur. Draw and type tool. Photoshop provides different tools to draw and add text to an image, as we are doing in Paint. Typing or type tool. It is used to add text to an image. So let's learn how to use type tool. Open an image of your choice. Click on the type tool on the tool panel. Click on the title. Select the font color, size and alignment from the option bar that is on the top. Click on the image to which the text is to be added. Type your desired text. Shape tool. It is used to draw different shape like rectangle and polygon. So let's learn how to use shape tool. Open a new image in Photoshop. Right click on the rectangle tool on the tool panel and select the custom shape tool. Select the desired shape by clicking on the drop down arrow of the shape in the option bar. Drag the mouse over on the workspace and draw the selected shape as you are drawing in Paint. And release the mouse button. Working with layers. A Photoshop image consists of multiple layers, where each layer has different elements. Layers are transparent sheets that hold objects. Layer helps in the following ways. They are like a transparent sheet. You can draw object on one layer without affecting the object of other layer. Means we can do the different parts of image in different layers. You can add a number of layers, hide and lock them so that other layer can't be affected. Layer can be combined, hidden and duplicate also. Now let's learn creating and adding elements. So let's learn multiple layer, how to create and how to add an element. Click on the file menu and select new option. Enter the name in the name box and dimension means height and width in the respective boxes and click on the OK button. Now draw a rectangle using rectangle tool as we already know how to draw. Now click on the layer menu and select new layer. The new layer dialog box will appear. Now enter the name of layer and specify the color and opacity for the layer in the new layer dialog box and click on the OK button. Draw another shape using rectangle tool in new layer. So there we having two layers, but it displaying as the whole image. Now hiding and moving layer. You can also hide or make it invisible for an image. To hide an layer, click on the indicate layer visibility button before the layer name in the layer panel. You can also move the layer to some other location in an image. To move the layer, select the layer from layer palette and click on the move tool from the tool panel and click on the drag. Click and drag the layer inside the workspace. Now duplicating layer. Duplicating means creating a copy. A copy of layer element can be made by duplicate layer. So let's learn how to create duplicate layer. Open an image having the multiple layers. Here we having two layers. Select the layer from layer panel. Click on the layer menu to create a duplicate layer. Select the duplicate layer option from the menu. Duplicate layer dialog box will appear. Give a name to the duplicate layer and click on OK button. Deleting a layer. So let's learn how to delete layer. Select the layer from layer palette. Click on the layer menu. Select delete layer option. So this way layer can be deleted. So here we are completing our chapter.